Hi guys, Glenn here from East Tech again. I've been receiving a lot of inquiries about how to make lighting scenes with the new 3.0 software. So here we go. I thought I would give you a little show here. In the living room in this particular home, as you can see, there's no lighting icon. The client chose to remove it simply to free up space on this screen. He does, however, have some shortcuts here, like Kodi, the fireplace fan, which is a light that's favorited. I covered how to make favorites in a previous video, but in this case, I actually removed the entire lighting icon. So to get to the icons that are hidden, you simply press the 4, and now you'll get your typical screen, which has your watch, listen, lighting, security, etc. So we hit the lighting icon from this screen, and as always, we have our lights listed individually here, and we have our scenes over here. But if you'll notice up on the top right, we have a pencil. That's for editing light scenes. So you press on that edit button. These are the light scenes that we install as the dealer. So you can change the light levels in here and save them, but you cannot delete or add lights to it. So if you had this scene right here, you could go in and you can adjust these up and down, hit next, carry through, hit done, and now the new levels for those scenes are saved. So no problem to adjust dealer-made scenes. But what I really wanted to show you here was how to create your own. So in this case, in the living room, he wanted a light scene called TV or Watch TV, something similar. So we just hit this plus icon, choose the room that we want the scene to entail. So we go living room, next. And here are all the loads that the dealer have located in that particular room. So we're not going to use the fireplace fan because we don't need that as part of the lighting scene, but we are going to include the sconces, the chandelier, and the fireplace pots. The chandelier is actually in the dining room adjacent to the living room, but it's good to have that one adjusted at the same time. So next, now we adjust all our levels. I'm just going to arbitrarily grab some numbers here. So now we've adjusted all of those. If you want to get more accurate with this, you should adjust them in the room. Look at your app and see what the levels are, note them, and then come back here and set them. Okay? And then next, it says what room. Basically, this screen is display scene in. So the lighting scenes will only show up in the rooms that you're in the navigators. In this case, I only want to see the lights, that particular lighting scene when I'm in the living room, because it's all designed around watching TV in that room. So you hit next, and I'm going to call it watch TV, and then hit done, saving scene. We'll just wait for everything to load onto the processor. And now it's saved. So now, if we back out, as you can see, the lighting is not here. You go lighting. Now we have a new scene here called Watch TV. So we hit that, press the button, and you see the little indicator on the right. It'll glow. That means now that TV scene is now active. If you want just a little tip here, if you have a lot of lighting scenes in the house, down in the bottom center here is the active scene icon between room and all. If you press that, it shows what scenes are active. So it's a real handy tool to quickly tell which scenes in the house are active. So that's it. That's how you make a lighting scene in OS 3.0. A lot of people can now go in and make their own lighting scenes and have all kinds of fun with it. Now, one last piece here. We covered this briefly before, but we never did a lighting scene. We can favorite that to room, and we go like that, and then we go back to the room, and now you'll see Watch TV favorited right here on the bottom right. So again, all we have to do is hit that once, and then all the lights in the room will go to that particular scenario. We don't really need this available in this room right now, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it and remove it out of the room. Simple as that. See you on the next one.